Do you feel guilt like a dark anchor tied to your ribs, pulling you down even in still water? I'm Leanna, your gentle guide for this story meditation journey. By the end of this session, you will feel truly unburdened, your heart expanded, your spirit lifted, as if every fragment of guilt has been transformed into freedom and light. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs fully, and exhale slowly, letting your body sink into support. Imagine standing at the edge of a still silver lake. Its surface mirrors the sky, calm and infinite. And within your chest, the anchor sits heavy. Notice its weight pressing against your ribs, a constant pull you cannot ignore. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out, whispering softly to yourself, I honor this weight as a teacher, not a jailer. Think quietly. I release the chains of yesterday's choices, making space for my courage today. Repeat softly in your mind, I allow myself to breathe freely, carrying only what nourishes me. See the anchor clearly, shaped by regret, mistakes, unspoken words. Feel its pull, yet stay rooted in this moment. Observing without judgment, repeat softly in your mind, my heart is wise and resilient, capable of holding mistakes with gentle understanding. Whisper to yourself quietly, I am learning to trust the rhythm of my own forgiveness, letting go with each breath. Breathe in deeply. Exhale slowly. Let the anchor sway gently, noticing its movement without letting it define you. With your next inhale, feel the anchor soften, edges rounding, metal transforming into luminous feathers. They brush lightly against your ribs, gentle and soft, lifting with every breath. Breathe in slowly. Exhale, whispering softly. Each breath releases the weight I have carried, opening space for clarity and ease. Think quietly. I am capable of transforming burdens into wisdom and fear into understanding. Repeat softly in your mind, I invite gentle light into my heart, and I allow my spirit to unfold like a quiet dawn. Visualize the feathers catching sunlight, shimmering with colors that ripple and dance like memory and hope intertwined. They swirl around your chest, lifted by a warm, invisible wind, each swirl dissolving tension. Notice the sensation of ribs unfurling, chest expanding. The anchor now a soft presence rather than a weight. Repeat softly, I honor the wisdom in my experiences and release what no longer nourishes me. Whisper to yourself quietly, I am free to choose peace over guilt, understanding over regret, and light over heaviness. Breathe in the warmth of this lightness. Exhale any lingering tension. Think quietly, I am capable of deep self-forgiveness, and I welcome this freedom as my natural state. Repeat softly, my chest opens with trust. My heart expands with awareness, and my spirit carries only what serves my growth. See the feathers gather and transform into tiny birds. Each one carries a piece of guilt, regret, or blame, ready to leave your chest. Take a deep inhale and exhale, watching the birds lift into the sky. They circle above you, then glide beyond the horizon, free, leaving your heart expanded and light. Repeat softly in your mind, I release the burdens I have carried and allow my heart to expand into trust, courage, and clarity. Think quietly, I am learning that mistakes are teachers, and guilt is not my definition, but a guide to compassion and growth. Whisper to yourself softly, I honor the shadow within me and transform it into light, wisdom, and freedom. Feel the still lake beneath you, reflecting the endless sky above. Breathe in calm. Breathe out gratitude. Notice your chest rising and falling with ease, no longer weighed down. Repeat softly, I am worthy of gentleness. I am capable of forgiveness, and I am allowed to soar. Sit in this space for a few more breaths, letting the sensation of release settle deeply. When ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this lightness with you into your day. You have let go, forgiven, and transformed. Open your eyes when ready, carrying this empowered presence with you, knowing that you have released the guilt that weighed on your heart, and that you are always safe, grounded, and luminous. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe now and join the R&R Story meditation community to continue exploring immersive, restorative meditations designed to nurture your mind, heart, and spirit.